Hi guys, and thank you very much for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Max Klinkby. Today I've been given the keys to my brother's Golf 6R, tuned by MTM, that produces 331 horsepower. So here it is in all its glory. Today I'm going to try a different style of video. I have put my new GoPro Hero 5 on my cap with a clip. And today what we're going to do, we're going to jump in and we are going to go for a little drive round so that you can hear exactly what the car sounds like inside, using the paddle shifters and also just the automatic DSG gearbox. But here it is, 331 horsepower, Mtm Downpipe, upgraded front discs. I don't know if you can see them. Yes, so I think the color is absolutely awesome. This amazing grey, and the condition is immaculate. It is a little bit dirty, but it's been raining a lot here in Denmark, so that's why. But yeah, without further ado, why don't we jump in and go for a little drive. So as you can see inside, we've got the awesome Recaro seats that I think look absolutely amazing and really set this car apart. I also have the Scirocco R, but I have the sort of the normal seats with the sort of fabric inside, but these with the Alcantara and the leather and this awesome support in the sides really makes this car feel fantastic. This car also has a DSG gearbox, whereas my car has a manual transmission, so that is also another difference between this and my car. And also you can see here the paddles behind the steering wheel have been fitted with these carbon extensions, which I really think make it look awesome. So as I mentioned, because of the MTM downpipe, so although the exhaust system is standard from the downpipe, so the catback is standard, it yeah, it really makes quite a different sound compared to a standard Golf R because of that larger downpipe and the 200 cell catalytic converter instead of the standard catalytic converter. So I think it sounds amazing. So I'm going to be quiet for a while and let's just enjoy this beautiful Golf. As I said, the downpipe makes this car really stand out. It sounds amazing. This car actually also has the variable suspension settings so that you can put it in sport, comfort or normal mode. Sport, I think, is just a little bit too stiff, so I prefer to just leave it in normal, and it sort of absorbs the bumps a little bit better, and I think that's just the perfect setting for this car. So I'm going to leave it in normal and carry on.
I think that was it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a quick thumbs up, because this Golf is absolutely amazing and I really do want to feature it a bit more on my channel. So help me encourage my brother to let me borrow this car a couple more times so that we can feature this car a bit more on my channel. So make sure to comment below on what you think of this beautiful Golf R, and thank you very, very much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Ciao.